They did guarantee me that this local fast food will make views. That's what Indonesian people tell me. So I guess we gotta go try it. Absolutely unbelievable, but I need to wash my hands somewhere. How big is this chicken? How big is the fried chicken?
Only one piece is breast all tight.
Oh, it's one piece of breast.
Yeah, breast all tight.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So probably this enough for me. What do you think?
This is small portion.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Is you yeah.
Should I order something else as well?
This you recommend here. This recommend
This is potatoes.
potatoes.
Okay. Real potatoes, this one.
Yeah. It's potatoes.
And this is fire wedges.
Fresh veggies.
Which one is more popular? This?
This is
Spicy.
spices. Little bit spices.
Okay, let's try.
It's medium. It's vegetable. It's sweet sauce. Is little bit spicy. Very
No,
sweet.
Okay, let's try. Okay.
Okay.
Terima kasih.
Yeah.
Okay, I will try them all. Oh yeah, we do.
This,
I can pay also with Visa or no?
yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Let's try the payment then. Terima kasih. So payment. That's it. Thank you so much. What's your
Yeah.
name?
Vishnu.
Huh?
Vishnu.
Usno.
Yeah.
Usno.
Is your feet?
Okay. Perfect.
Is your card? Your receipt?
Thank you so much for the job.
In it.
Can I give you a tip?
Oh, thank you.
Here.
Thank you, sir. Is your number?
Okay.
330. I call you.
330. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So apparently this cheese factory is like one of the most beloved food by the new generation of locals. And this, guys, is your level of spiciness: beginner, medium, hot, extra hot, extreme, ultimate. What did I select? This is everything, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Terima kasih. So let's explore the situation. Some chicken bites, some big piece of chicken, wedges, and this, I guess, is rice, because we're in Indonesia and rice is super popular in any possible meal. Yes, absolutely. This rice looks nice. I'm so thirsty. Generally, I'm not fan of sweet stuff, but I'm so thirsty. Let's check this. We go from this one. Little chicken bite. The cheese on top is pretty strong. Let me check what is written. Yeah, it says Parmigiano. Parmesan at least. But what if we mix Parmigiano with this? Oh, cheese. Double cheese. Perfect match. I need to make my hands dirty and go to this one, but before that, okay. For the wedges, alright. I'm not the biggest fan of barbecue sauce. One time in the USA, in New York, they put this on a pizza, imagine, instead of tomato. It was a disaster pizza. I'm still not a fan. Maybe I was shocked and I will never like it. Spicy barbecue sauce. Interesting. But not my kind, still sweet. I prefer the cheese one. Now, back to the drink with all these birds. Too sweet. So it said, oh, you get the breast or you get this one. Too much sauces, but the chicken inside is really good. I hide the sauces with a bite of the rice is great. I would prefer it without sauces, just plain chicken. Plain chicken will be the best. It is spicy. And I'm getting the itch-up because it's spicy. I selected the extra hot. Extra hot. Oh my gosh. The hiccup. Oh my god. Usually in Italy we eliminate it by drinking. Water is life. Drink water. The truffle sauce is kind of pointless. It gets hidden in the barbecue or whatever sauce is that. You feel it, but it's very little feeling. I think this hiccup got me. Gosh. I'm suffering. Rice. Maybe the rice. Teriyaki. Oh. A bit of suffering in this life is good. It reminds you of the good days. Actually makes you appreciate the good days. Even level 3 is spicy. Oh. I got this thing in my nose. Crazy. Oh god. I'm glad this mess of sauces is finished. Here we go. Bones. Now we can pass to the easy to eat stuff. Everything is so hot in my mouth. The cheese will save me. I understand why this place is popular on social media. It's because people challenge themselves. 1 to 5. I think I look like a kid. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I shoot more of such videos? I feel like my nose is bleeding. I think because I put that piece inside my nose by mistake. I might stop. Look at all the wasted Parmigiano. That's crazy. Parmigiano on the rice. Oh, let's save the Parmigiano. Like and comment for more food videos. I will catch it. Ooh. Time to go wash my hands. Always clean up.
Okay.
I totally dislike when people don't clean after themselves.